Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. For assistant, contact iTunes support on iPhone, iOS 16, iOS 26. So for example, if you want to update your iCloud storage or anything, you want to update your payment method and you want to purchase anything from the App Store, and you see this kind of error on your App Store account, Apple ID discount account. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on that, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and here you have to simply make sure that you have provided the correct payment method, and your payment method has not expired. And if you have any errors in the payment method, then you can simply replace your payment method with a new one. So you can simply go and check any subscription if you have. For example, if you have any pending subscription, then you can simply clear the payments of that pending subscription. Moreover, as the solution is written in the option, like you have to simply contact the Apple Store or iTunes Store, and you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply contact iTunes Store or Apple Store, and you have to ask for the solution. And if after that, moreover, you can also contact Apple discussion forum, and you can ask for the solution from the Apple community, so that how they solve that error. So in this way you can simply check for that solution also. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.